Hi everyone! Today I want to share with you how to make a floral pumpkin arrangement. It's so fun and easy, and I created these in just about 15 or 20 minutes with garden fresh flowers and also without using any floral foam. I just used a ball of chicken wire in these pumpkins, and I even used the top, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. So go head out into your garden, gather some of your favorite flowers, grab a pumpkin, and let's make a pumpkin floral arrangement together. The first step is to hollow out your pumpkin and make sure and reserve the top for later on. Next, take something plastic like a yogurt container filled with water and place it inside your pumpkin. And then into that, place a ball of chicken wire. Next, insert 3 rods into the top of the pumpkin top. I like to use chopsticks for this. Now we can start working on the arrangement. First, I'm placing in some beautiful sage foliage, and all the ingredients are going to be worked around this pumpkin in a 360 design. And we really only need to focus on the outer portion of the arrangement because we will be putting on the top about midway through. Now I'm going to add some beautiful abelia to this arrangement, and abelia lasts forever in the vase. And doesn't it look beautiful? I'm adding a little bit of corn just for fun. Now I'm going to add in some beautiful ingredients that will dry wonderfully as well. So even once the zinnias and the dahlias fade, I can pull this gomphrena out and also the celosia that I'm going to be using next and dry it for the remainder of the season. Once again, I'm just using these ingredients all the way around the pumpkin. That way, if I place it on something like a dining room table, everyone gets a nice view of it. Now we're going to start to add in some really beautiful things. This is a zinnia called Royal Purple. I'm securing all these stems into that chicken wire ball that's sitting there in our plastic yogurt container. Now it's time to add the top. So just go ahead and push the sticks and the top into the base. Give it a nice firm push. That top is going on the exterior of the yogurt container. Now it's time to fill in the rest of the arrangement. So it's time for dahlias, of course. This dahlia is called Star's Favorite. I guess I can't make a pink arrangement without adding in my Queen Elizabeth roses. I've heard that the Queen Elizabeth rose is supposed to reach heights of 10 feet, but mine barely ever makes it to 5 each season because I cut every single bloom it gives me. This dahlia is called Peter's Glory, and you see, whatever I'm doing in the front, I try to mimic it in the back and on the sides as best I can. A little variety, though, is nice, of course. And really, all we're going to do from here on in is just fill in any openings that we see with some beautiful things. This green zinnia here is called Envy. And I'll just add in some more celosia. Some more zinnias. And some more dahlias. I have to almost remind myself as I'm making this not to face everything towards the front, to really think of it as a complete 360 design. Now I'm going to add in a few pieces of lemon jade sedum and some feverfew. I'm on my third flush of feverfew now, and I sure am thankful for that. It's nice to just take a step back and see what's missing, see if you can see any holes. We certainly want to cover up all the mechanics here. We don't want to see those chopsticks. We don't want to see any openings. We want it to be full and lush. One dahlia bud will finish her up. Well, my friends, that's how you make a pumpkin floral arrangement. Thanks so much for joining me out here in the garden today. And until next time, happy gardening. Bye.